Hey guys, and welcome to a new video from Hackinons. In this video, we will see how to sort a dictionary by value. So without further wasting time, let's get started. When we are working with data structures in Python, especially a dictionary, it is really important to note how we sort the data, how we gain data in a certain fashion. So now we will see how do we sort the data based on its increasing order of its value. So first thing is what I will do is I will use the inbuilt Python function that is sorted. So what I'll do is I'll create a variable called as new dictionary. So I'll call it new underscore dictionary, and then I'll use the sorted function. So basically I'm calling the sorted function because it will return certain data and that will be stored in the variable. And then in the arguments, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my dict.items. So basically I'm creating an item of the key and value pairs present. So let me print that first and show you what is the output. So if I run this program, as you can see right now, the key value pairs are converted to a tuple data and then they are saved inside this list. But as you can see, the data is not sorted in any fashion. There's 0, then there's 2, then there's 1, which means this isn't sorted. So now I am going to use certain keywords present in the sorted function to help the sorting of this data. So the first keyword is something called as a key, and this key will be mapped to a function which denotes the method of sorting that needs to be performed. So basically using the key argument, you can create your customized method of sorting your data. So let me create the function name called as sortlen. So basically this function will sort all the data present in the value. To do that, I will create a return statement and I will return the A of one element. So let me explain you what I'm doing is. So basically I'm taking A as the argument, that is the data, this whole data that is present in the form of bits, and then I'm going to slice out the first element, that is the value, because in this tuple 0 is denoted as key and the index present at 1 is the value. So I am going to return that value, which means we are trying to tell Python that we want the data to be returned in an increasing fashion, that is from lower to higher precedence. That is the default method of how Python will sort the data. So this works fine, and now I will simply call the function in the key argument. And if I run this program now, wonderful. As you can see, there is a big difference. Now the value is sorted and the data is present in a sorted manner, as you can see in the output. So that's it from this video, where we learned how to sort data based on the values present in a dictionary. If you like such content, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinons YouTube channel. And we'll be back soon with more fun and interesting videos.